stretch, baby. Good stretch. Did you say the last year you're broken? You'll be taking on the water. I know you're closer than you think. I know you're closer than you think. Hey guys, I feel so terrible right now. I've had the stomach bug for a few days and I've been barely able to eat any solids, so I just feel super tired, but I have to run a few errands today, so I wore a little bit of makeup, so I feel a little bit better about myself, and then now I'm just on my way to the mall. Oh, it's brutal. All right, I have made it to Chinook. I am like brain fog altogether because I just feel like crap right now. But I'm gonna go in, grab a few gifts, and I might check up Yeti because I want to get a new water bottle. I just got ready. It is a freaking beautiful day. So yeah, here I am in my summery dress, and I'm just gonna go out on a little picnic at a park with some friends.
Ladybug.
Oh, it's hot.
There was a ladybug here. Ladybugs are fine.
Why don't you eat it?
Please go away.
Good morning. Actually, why did I say morning? This is a terrible angle, but the sun is like way too bright right now, so I'm just chilling here. But I am really excited for dinner. It has been a minute since I've been to Chairman's, so let's go. All right, guys, I'm wearing this dress from Aritzia. It might look super familiar. It is very, very old, but I think it just fits the vibe. It's classy, but very comfy because I know I'm gonna be eating a lot. I have my clutch here, which pairs nicely because I just want to pop a pattern. And then I also decided to choose these Jimmy Choos. I worked out legs yesterday and it has been a minute, so my legs are a little sore, hence why I'm going for a kitten heel today. That is basically it. I will see you at Chairman's. Hey guys, I am off to James Arthur's concert tonight with some friends. Pretty hectic day, and now I am off.
What's up? There's so many things I want to say. I mean, firstly, thanks for having me in this beautiful country, this beautiful city, this town. This is a beautiful place, man. I'm a very long way from home. It's crazy to think there's fans in here tonight from 15 hours away on the plane. Put those hands up in the air for me on this next one. Just for those hands. You walked into the room and now my heart's been stolen. 'Cause the light came on when I heard that song. I want you to sing it again. I want to hear everybody sing it. Let's go. I don't see you, you're not in every window I look through. And I don't miss you, you're not in every single thing I do. And you are not the missing piece. I won't hear it whenever anybody says your name. And I won't feel it even when I'm bursting into flames. I don't regret the day I left, but don't believe that I was blessed. You know I want you. It's not a secret I expect. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. giving all I can, but all you ever do is mess it up. Yeah, I'm right here, trying to make it clear, but getting half of you just ain't enough. Hey, get out. I've got nothing left to give, and you give me nothing now. Breathe, my man. If you ever want me back, then you watch me breaking down. Cause here I am, I'm giving all I can, but all you ever do is mess it up. I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. And you were strong and I was kind. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. You made me feel as though I wasn't out. We danced the night away, we drank too much. Let's go. I knew I loved you then, cause I played it cool when I was. I knew I needed you, but I wanted to stay with you till we quit it all. Everybody sing. Say you won't let go. I wanna stay with you till we quit it all. Everybody just say you won't let go. Say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts, 'cause you were always there for me.